Hey YouTube, this is Teen Techie, and today I'm going to show you how to add a white outline to a transparent image in Canva. The first thing you have to do is go ahead and go to canva.com and then log into your account. After that, you can go ahead and create a design. For this demo, I'm going to make a YouTube thumbnail. And then for this demo, I'm going to add a transparent image of a person, and then I'm going to add a white outline. Alright, so now that we have a transparent image, I'm going to show you how to add a white outline. So the first thing you have to do is click on the image, and then in this toolbar on the top, click on Edit Photo. After that, scroll down to the Effects menu, click on the first effect, Shadows, and then after that, you're going to want to click on Outline. After you click on Outline, you want to go down to Color, change it to white. Now we can customize this outline in a couple different ways. Firstly, we can adjust kind of the width of the outline. So if we increase it all the way to 82, as you can see, it's a very large outline. You can also make the outline blurred so that it kind of blurs into the background. So if I increase this to 50, you can change the angle, you can change the distance. This kind of changes how pronounced the shadow is. So if it's at 0, there is no shadow, but if you increase it to 100, you can very clearly see the shadow. And then you can change the intensity. This is kind of more similar to blur, but the difference is that this intensity has more to do with transparency and opacity, whereas blur just has to do with the clarity. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so you have access to all of my other tutorials, and turn on the notifications so that you are alerted when I post a new video. Like this video and comment on any other suggestions you have. Thanks for watching.